explain what you're doing right now?
Right now we are cutting the fat off the outside of the eye
And the muscle.
and the muscle
right there.
Great. Can you explain to me what you're doing right now?
We're just cutting
We are
through
cutting
them.
the eye in half.
Yeah. So that the vitreous humor spills out.
And what's that stuff that's right here?
This stuff.
No, the liquidy stuff. What do you think that is?
Oh, that
I think that's
aqueous-
the aqueous humor.
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
So what's the liquid stuff that's coming out?
The aqueous humor.
Slippery.
What is that?
It's the choroid coat.
coral.
Choroid coat.
And why is it that color? Hey, you can use your fingers too. Alright, so there's part of your lens. And then what's this? What is this right here?
So that's a red.
Uh-huh, that's the retina. So you can actually pull that off with the tweezers.
Oh, it's like breaking.
It's okay. Great. And then what do you see behind it?
The tapetum lucidum.
Yeah.
So just take it out like that.
Yep.
Like that. Oh, okay.
And what part of the eye is that?
The lens, right? Or the
So which part is the lens? Can you
That,
point-
in the middle.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
And what was surrounding the lens?
the vitreous. The vitreous humor.
The vitreous humor. And what's the consistency of it?
It's like jelly-like. It's like the stuff that surrounds passion fruit seeds. That's what it feels like.
Nice. Good. Can you show me where the vitreous humor is?
It's the gray
gel
stuff.
And what else do you see?
The lens. This is the lens.
Can you pull out the lens?
You got this is the door.
Yeah, there you
Oh,
go.
I could choose the door. Oh wait.
What type of lens is it? Convex or concave?
Convex.
Yeah. And how do you know that?
Because it's like and it's like thick on the middle.
Yeah. Great. Nice. So that's the iris.
Yeah.
And where's the pupil?
The pupil is the hole there in the middle.
To them. Uh-huh. And it looks like you still have some inside
And
the eye.
yeah, we still have to get the aqueous humor and the cornea, yeah. And here's the sclera.
Nice. Where's the iris?
It's right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great. Nice work. Oh, it looks like a blueberry.
Yeah, actually did. Here, put it down.
Okay, wait. You gotta like.
Oh my gosh, that's so weird.
Vitreous humor?
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Feels like I
What's
got
in the
jellyfish.
what's here?
So that tan film is what's going to have our rods and cones.
The retina?
Uh-huh.
It feels like a moon jelly. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so pretty. It's like the. Is that the choroid? Keep going. Can we tear it? It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay if you tear it.
You can kind of. No, you can't. Really
You see how shiny it is?
Wow, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh.